Benelli Leoncino 250. Welcome to the Motorcycle News. The small volume naked bike is not only intended for beginners and combines a certain retro look with trendy colors. Seen worldwide, more and more models with small displacement are being released. Just two examples would be the Yamaha MT-03 or the KTM 200 Duke, which has been available on the Asian market for years and now also being launched on the American market. The Italian brand Benelli, which is in Chinese ownership, now wants to launch the Leoncino 250 on the world market. The small naked bike has already been introduced in China, where it costs just under 20,000 Chinese yuan, the equivalent of around $3,000 or 2,500 euros. The Leoncino 250 is powered by a 250cc single cylinder that generates a solid 27 horsepower and 20 Newton meters. It is mounted in a steel tubular frame. At the front of 41mm upside down fork damps. LED technology is used for the lighting. In addition, a fully digital combined instrument panel was installed. 5 different color variations are offered, some of which contrast with the retro styling. You can choose between red, gray, white, brown or silver with pink wheels. With an output of 27 horsepower, a dry weight of 155 kilograms, a 150 tire in the rear and a 110 tire in the front, the Benelli Leoncino 250 should be a lot of fun on winding roads. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I would be happy about a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any more news, you can also subscribe to the channel for free. You can find more and constantly updated news on the homepage MOTORCYCLES.NEWS or in the free app Motorcycle News for Android and iOS.